DHHS, or Deaf and Hard of Hearing Services, is that an agency that is only for interpreter referral? No, Rowan, it's not just interpreter referral. There's a plethora of other services that are offered, such as advocacy, education, youth programming, and assistive technology. Now, did I forget? Is there another one? Yes, Nancy, there's one more that you've forgotten. So recently, our agency, DHHS, or Deaf and Hard of Hearing Services, along with the Kent County Health Department, partnered together to establish a COVID-19 vaccination clinic for West Michigan's DeafBlind, and hard of hearing community. So Nancy, why don't you go ahead and explain to us about the vaccination that's going to be used at these vaccine clinics? So the vaccine that we are going to be using, the only vaccine that will be given, is the Pfizer vaccine. Now remember, that vaccination takes 2 shots. So the first clinic will be May 10th, and the second will be June 3rd. Rowan, will there be interpreters there that day? Of course, Nancy. We will have interpretation services on those 2 days of the clinic. So Nancy, is this a walk-in clinic? No, Rowan, it's not a walk-in clinic. You have to contact someone at DHHS. Her name is Jessica Oliver, and she is the Advocacy Specialist for Deaf and Hard of Hearing Services. So if you contact her, you can call her through her video phone. That number is 616-828-0186. Yes, and if you do not have a video phone or you prefer to use your voice, you can go ahead and call through a regular phone. And the phone number for DHHS is 616-732-7358, extension 204, to speak with Jessica to register for the clinic. Now, it's important to remember that you must have an appointment first. Yes, that's right, Rowan. Very important. You must have an appointment first. Now, Nancy, who is this clinic for? Well, it's for deaf, deafblind, and hard of hearing. Plus, that's right, Nancy, a member of the same household. So if you have your parents who live with you or a spouse who lives with you, then you can all come together and get vaccinated together. Now, when you go into registration for the vaccine, it's important that you let them know your age. From the ages of 16 to 18, they must have a parent or guardian with them. If you're over 18, you can get vaccinated alone. But remember, under 16 has not been approved for these vaccinations yet. Also, some people in the deaf and deafblind hard of hearing community are not comfortable going to a regular clinic because of communication access issues. So if they live far away out of the West Michigan area, is it okay if they come to our clinic? Yes, definitely, Rowan. They can come to our clinic. Isn't that awesome? Yes, it's awesome. Now, when you call DHHS and you register and you get an appointment, it is imperative that you show up for that appointment. Now, remember, you have to put these dates down, May 10th and June 3rd. And it is imperative that you show up for both clinics and both vaccinations. You cannot miss either one. This will be held at the Kent County South Clinic. The address is 4700 Kalamazoo Avenue, Kentwood, Michigan. And if you need to use public transportation, then you can arrive using the Grand Rapids bus line number 2. guess what? The both of us will be there. We'll be there that day to support the deaf, deafblind, and hard of hearing communities. That's right, Nancy. We both hope to see you there that day.